Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX, the future of electric mobility from one of the most iconic luxury car brands in the world. This isn't just a concept car, it's a bold statement that the future is here, and it's stunning. The Vision EQXX is Mercedes' most efficient EV ever. It's designed from the ground up to travel farther, smarter, and cleaner than any of its predecessors. With a jaw-dropping range of over 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, on a single charge, this car proves that range anxiety can be a thing of the past. Powered by a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Vision EQXX is about lightweight design, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and software innovation. The battery is lighter and smaller than traditional EVs, which helps improve performance and efficiency. On the outside, the design is sleek and futuristic, with flowing lines, a closed-off grille, and ultra-slim LED lights. It's not just built to look good. It's built to glide through the air with a record-breaking drag coefficient of just 0.17, better than even the most aerodynamic production cars today. Inside, the Vision EQXX showcases sustainability without sacrificing luxury. The cabin uses eco-friendly materials like mushroom leather, cactus-based fabrics, and bamboo fiber. But don't let that fool you, it still feels like a Mercedes, with a massive 47-inch high-resolution display stretching across the dashboard and next-gen voice controls. Now let's talk performance. While it's not built for speed, it still delivers around 204 horsepower with instant torque thanks to its rear-mounted electric motor. This car is about intelligent efficiency, not just raw power. So what about the price? Since the Vision EQXX is currently a prototype and concept showcase, it's not available for sale yet. But technologies from this car are expected to influence future Mercedes EVs, especially the next-gen EQ models. What's the benefit for you? It's simple. The Vision EQXX shows us that the EV future will be stylish, sustainable, and long-range, without compromise. If you're excited about where Mercedes-Benz is heading and want to stay updated on all things futuristic, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to CarTalkOfficial for more in-depth car reviews and concept previews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next drive.